Jackpot, I hit the jackpot, jackpot.
Hey YouTube, what's up? What's up to all my champions? It's your girl Champ, and I'm back, and I'm feeling better than ever. Whoop. There we go, Sinister Sabretooth looking absolutely amazing. Hold on, does the Champ match Sinister Sabretooth? Not really today, but it doesn't matter. I still look cute standing next to her. Anyways, today is a great video. I am actually doing my first POV video, point of view of what it's like to drive a Hellcat. So, if you've always been wondering what it actually feels like to drive a Hellcat and haven't been lucky enough to drive one yet, this is your chance to find out. I'm about to drive it and tell you exactly how it feels. I mean, obviously I've already drove it before and I love it. That's why it's my car. But I'm gonna give you guys the full experience with me. Now, first things first, my favorite thing is to start my car up. I'm gonna start her up and and then I'm gonna pull her out so you can like see the full all around her, but let's start her up first. Oops. Sinister Sabretooth, awaken now! Damn! Okay, y'all, so now we are actually in Sinister Sabretooth. And I must say so myself that I love her. She is so cute. Now, don't get carried away, guys. If you get a Hellcat, it's not necessarily gonna look like this on the inside. This is because mine is totally custom. There's nothing like it. There's only one of it. And it's my car. But it's actually getting ready to be redone, so stay tuned. The outside wrap is going, even the inside. Slowly but surely, I'm redoing everything. So stay tuned. Okay, now that I have put my baby in park, let's take a full look at her. She is absolutely gorgeous. Check her out. Custom wrap by Reflections Detail. And if you think this one is crazy, wait till you see what I'm about to do to it. It's gonna be totally champified and totally champ-tastic. As you can see, we got some rose gold on the bottom. This super colorful Sabretooth look, if you can see at the very top of the car. You can actually see the eyes and the mouth of the Sabretooth. I hope I'm getting it good. Anyways, super cute. There's literally nothing like it. And then the rest of the car is like all of the tiger stripes. Borgiata wheels, don't judge me for how dirty they are. I'm getting ready to get this baby cleaned. Ooh, man, this thing is insane. Look at it. Comment below, you guys. This is one of the most fabulous Hellcats that I have ever seen. Do you guys think it's one of the most fabulous ones you've ever seen? Let me know. Ooh, even crazy in the back. Now, let's take this baby for a real ride so I can give you guys Champ's point of view. So, you guys, first thing is first, I just want to start this baby up so you can see, you know, what it's like. This is what my dash is looking like. Ooh, SRT, F, seed root, tree fruit. You better get hip. Everything's looking nice in here. Okay. And we're going to press that start button. Shout out to the nails. They looking oh so extra fabulous too, okay? See that sparkle, okay? Man, it's the details, people. So first things first, we're going to click SRT. Put this baby in. I like custom. 707 Street. See that? That's how we're going to have this. Seatbelt is very important, guys. Now, let's get it. Yo, my driveway is literally so tight. It's not even funny. Okay. Get out there. I'm surprised I haven't like scraped this car. All right, let's get it now. Now, you gotta know the thing is this car is kind of low to the ground with what I have in it. So I always gotta turn like curve out that way and then turn when I'm coming out of any like driveway or whatever. I hate it. Okay. People always waving to me. Oh, ladies, they always want to talk. Let's get it. Gonna take this baby on a highway real quick. We're gonna really push this thing to the max. Okay. Super excited. So, first of all, and this is the thing, this is not, people are gonna look at you when you have a Hellcat, of course. That's just like what's bound to happen. You know what I'm saying? People are always gonna look at you when you're driving a Hellcat. But this one especially, it's just so colorful. people don't see stuff like this all the time, so they're not used to it, and they just be staring. Ooh, super extra hard. I forgot to put this in 707. Sometimes I don't drive this in 707. I know, crazy. What a sin for a Hellcat owner not to be driving in 707 and to be driving in economy. But this thing, it just, the get up, the twerk, like this thing just snatches you and goes. So sometimes I have to not drive it like in 707 when I'm in like a residential area, because I don't want to accidentally, like, you know, bump anybody, which I haven't so far. So thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. You know what I mean? But still, I'm just saying, for control reasons, that's why. Just one time in the residential. Oops, I just scared them back in their car. That's one thing about me, is I'm rude. Like, if you get out of my car and you walk behind it, I'm going to, and I'm parked, I'm going to do my engine, everything. Like, that's just who I am. I love to scare people. I'm a little prankster, and I have fun doing it. Like, driving this car, I just love how loud it is. And did you see me kind of jerk back a little bit? Like, I'm just pulling onto a stop sign. It's just so powerful. That's the feeling that I get when I'm behind the wheel of my car. I feel powerful AF. Heading towards the highway, guys. We are almost there. Just bear with me, okay? But we're heading there. Getting on the highway now, you guys. What's the fastest I ever went? I feel like the fastest that the Champ is like 110. I'd be scared, y'all, but I'm like slowly learning to go faster. I really need somebody to teach me how to race, and I want to also have somebody teach me how to do donuts. I've never done a donut. Oh wow. Okay, construction. So the thing is, it's nice. I don't have drag radials, which are like wheels that really grip the ground for racing, you know what I'm saying? So you can, you know what I'm saying, you're not gonna slide as much. That's the thing about my car. Right now I kind of slide a bit. I hate that. But they said if I get drag radials, it will not be good for when I am in the rain, which I'm not in the rain often, but California, the roads are already bad in the rain because, you know what I'm saying, they never get cleaned really, like the highways. So there's so much oil on them that when it does rain, you're basically gliding. So I definitely don't want to get them for that. But I do need to know what kind of tire I can get so that I'm not dragging like that. Ooh. Dang, you guys, I absolutely love that. What was I going right there? Only 90. This thing gets up so quick. That's the thing. It goes from like 0 to 60 so fast. I love it in my car. And the thing about it, it's so great because if I'm in a rush, I can weave. Like my other car, you guys, the car I had before this was a GMC Terrain. Nothing wrong with it, guys. I actually love that car. Like, I'm fighting, should I let go of it or not? Because sometimes I just want to be low key. In this car, I could never be low key. First of all, people are gonna hear me. My friends tell me all the time, like when I pull up to their, their apartments, and I'm like, Eva, I'll be down on like the first floor and they're on floor 6. They'd be like, I heard you all the way downstairs, or all the way up here, and I'm like, yep. You know what, but that's the thing, like I'm a queen. I feel like there should be an announcement when I'm coming, so this Hellcat definitely does it. All right, now let's weave in and out of a couple of people. Come on, let's see how it feels. Woo! Ooh, you guys, I love it. I love how quick I can go. Almost feel like I could outrun a police. I would never do it, guys, so don't go like telling on me. I would never do it. Mom, I'm sorry, because I already know you're gonna get on me about just saying that, you know, because my little cousins and stuff. I'm not encouraging anyone to do it. I just feel like I could. I feel like Superwoman in this car. Like Speed Racer. Dang, you guys. Okay, so I gotta learn how to race. There's no reason that I should have this fast car and not be out here racing. Like, it just doesn't even make sense. Sorry, buddy. Gotta get over. Woo! Just that quick. I'm in the next lane. And I'm sure you guys can hear me. Okay. I'm going faster. Ooh. Dang. See, then you have a dummy like that just cut you off for no reason. And then slow down. That's my thing. And comment below, champions, if you guys agree with this, okay? I don't care if you cut me off. I don't care if you speed up and get in front of me. But keep that same energy. Don't cut me off, or don't get in front of me and then go slow. Like, where was the energy that you used to cut me off? How you just gonna cut me off and then be like, I don't wanna go fast no more? Like, no. Keep it Keep that same energy. Damn. Anyways, back to it. Now let's switch lanes one more time. All right, speed up. Ooh. Dang, that shit got up quick, you guys. I love it, y'all. So that was just 100 miles per hour. I don't know, should I do these POV videos like later? I need to find somewhere, comment below you guys, who knows somewhere in California that is like a straight track, not police, that I can just floor this shit. Who knows where I can do that in California? Let's try one more time. Ooh, that's 100. Dang, y'all, I am so proud of myself, you guys. I love this. I used to be scared of driving fast, but now I just love it. I truly, truly, truly just love it. Honestly, I have a need for speed, you guys. I really do. It's low-key, I've said this before in other videos. I am ruined if it comes to getting any other kind of car. Or, like, maybe I could get a luxury car at some point, but I would have to have a Hellcat. I have to have a car with a fast engine. And I'm about to make this faster, you guys, so. Remember, I told you guys I was doing that cool air intake and all that other stuff? Stay tuned for that 750 package. Sorry, the lighting's a little bad here. But you know what I'm saying? It's like, this is my favorite time of day because the lighting's either really great or really bad. I like it. It has nice control for the most part. It only like really swerves like when I'm pulling out of somewhere and I'm trying to go off fast and do a burnout. Which, guys, also stay tuned and comment below if you even want to see it. But I'm going to do a video of me teaching myself how to do a burnout. I've watched a few videos on YouTube and I think that I'm ready to try it, but I'm not going to try it without my champions, of course. So stay tuned because that is coming. All right, you guys. So now I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a different angle. Oh, look, he won a race, but you see that little motorcycle? Everybody wants some attention from the Hellcat, but let me tell you one thing. Damn, he gone. Look, can you even see him? Anyways, I don't race motorcycles just because if you fall and I run you over, I ain't going to jail for that, even though it's your fault. I ain't doing it. Anyways, oh, now you want to slow down when we catch up. People always want some attention from the champ, but they just can't have it. Anyways, I wanted to give you guys another view of what it's like. Maybe let you guys see the speedometer a little bit. I would definitely say this. You know what they say, once you go black, you never go back? The truth is, once you go Hellcat, you never go back, okay? What I'm gonna go, like, this to what? That's the thing. I drove a Porsche Panamera a while ago. If you guys saw my Porsche review, and I sounded so spoiled. I was like, this car is not fast enough. But that's the truth, you guys. I really, literally just love driving a fast car. I don't care if it is a luxury car. I'm always gonna need a fast car in my life. And you know what I'm saying? If the car just, you know, if the torque is not a lot and it's just taking a while to get that get up, like, that ain't fun for me. They're looking at the car. People always looking at the car. I love it. I really do. You know what I like? I like that this Hellcat has tints. Like, you can't really tell, but it's tinted. As I showed you guys outside. So it's majorly tinted, so people can't see what I'm doing. But I can see them. I can see them looking. So here we are, getting back on the highway, as you can see. I will say this. The Hellcat is very powerful. So if you don't have good control with your hands and stuff, this is not going to be the car for you. Because once you have it in that 707, this thing is going to pick up quick. You know what I mean? You don't want to accidentally press on that pedal too fast. Now, let's see what it's like when I get this baby going fast. Here we are. And I'm gonna go ahead and get over. Now, honestly, truly, I don't want to do it too much because I heard that YouTubers can get in trouble for showing, you know what I'm saying, reckless driving or whatever. So there's no reckless driving here, guys. But let's, you know, speed it up one more time. You guys, that thing went so fast, so quick, I couldn't even hold the camera straight. Literally in that itty bitty amount of time, I went like 5 exits that quick. That's crazy. Yeah. That's what it's always like. Say what up to my people.
Hey, it's a small world.
Right?
Beautiful car.
Thank you. See, you always gotta let the motorcycles go first, though, because you know what I'm saying? They're fragile. And if you guys didn't notice, that was actually the motorcycle that I saw earlier. Remember the one I said that just took off like that and I was like, let him go? That was him. Alright, champions, I'm back from my drive. Let's go make some good food. But before I go, I just want to tell you guys my overall opinion of driving a Hellcat is that it's absolutely amazing. Okay? It's fast, it's powerful, so make sure you're ready to handle some power if you are going to drive one. I love the torque. I love how fast it just gets up. Y'all know I call it the get up. I mean, I feel like all I gotta do is barely press the pedal and I'm flying, which is great. It's also a little scary if you don't know how to drive. So when I first, I knew how to drive, but I wasn't like no speed racer, which I'm slowly turning into. But it's definitely a great car. There's only one thing from a Hellcat owner's perspective that I would say is not that fun about it. And that's how much it costs to fill this baby up, you guys. I just literally filled it up for $80 from on E. And that's because you gotta put the best gas in it, and it kind of goes through gas quick. So that's the one bad thing being a Hellcat owner that I don't like. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be filling that tank up a lot, and it's gonna cost you, baby. It's gonna cost you. I'll be filling up 2-3 times a week, but you know, I also be moving and going. This is my daily driver. Not everyone's Hellcat is their daily driver, but it's mine for now until I get another car. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this video, and let me know, what do you guys want to see next? Do you want that Corvette C8 review? Do you guys want to see me learn how to do a donut? Do you guys want to see me, the champ, teach herself how to do a burnout? Comment below, let me know, and stay tuned. See you guys.